I copied a big creator to create this particular thumbnail. Yet after 5 hours, I didn't see any views on that particular video. Then I have to create this my particular thumbnail. Then I started seeing a little views from that video, because I heard that once you copy a big creators, you will start getting millions and thousands of views. But here is the truth that nobody tells you. Copying big creators is the fastest way of getting stuck on YouTube. Many creators thought that once they copy big creators, like for example, once they copy their title, their thumbnail, and even the topic, they will grow faster, forgetting that big creators have already have stand on YouTube. Now, let me explain. Big YouTubers play a different game, okay? Big YouTubers are not playing the same game with a small channel, okay? When they upload a video, they have already have a thousands of subscribers, even some millions of subscribers. Do you understand? Now, loyal viewers, okay, and strong channel authority. Do you understand? So YouTube have already trust their content. Do you understand? Because know how people will click and watch to the end, unlike a small channel that is just coming up. You know, you haven't have an audience or enough subscribers. Do you understand? You are a small channel and you are copying them, YouTube will not trust your contents because you didn't have the data. Now, do you understand? Now, competition is too high. When you are copying a big creator to create a particular video, the competition will be too high. Do you understand? Now, for example, if a big creator is creating a content around how I got my 1000 subscribers, and you as a small channel, you are under 1000 subscribers, bear it in mind that YouTube will first of all rank the video of a big creator before your own, because a big creator have the experience. Do you understand? Big creator will have the experience. That is, the big creator have the experience and they have already grew. Unlike you that haven't have any experience, how do you think that YouTube will rank your video? Because YouTube will see that your content, that your particular video, that you are lying because you are under 1000 subscribers. So bear it in mind that the video of the big creator will rank before your own. Do you understand? Now, another they have existing audience, okay? So big creators already have audience. Do you understand? Now they can create any video and they will get thousands or even millions of views because they have audience that love them. Some we even go extra mile of creating anyhow thumbnail, that is, create any thumbnail and upload, and their audience will still engage and watch. Do you understand? But if a small creator upload a video without an audience, people will not click, okay? People will click, but it will be few people that will click on that particular video and do what and watch. But once a big creator upload, people will engage because they have audience that love them. They have existing audience. Do you understand? Now, as a small channel, this is what you are going to do. This is what you are going to do. If you want to make a video now, you can just come up with YouTube growth, okay? That is, start from basic and leave the competitive videos for big creators, because if you go extra mile to compete with them, you're not going to see any views on your channel. Do you understand? So I will advise you, as a small channel, start from basic, okay? For example, how to create a YouTube channel with 0 subscribers. You know that once you create that particular video, people will trust you, okay? Because it's that 0 subscribers there. Do you understand? Unlike a big creators. So here is what you have to do as a small channel, okay? Focus on searchable content, okay? You can go over to YouTube. So turn your profile picture into incognito, okay? Get whatever you want, okay? Another way you can do it again to get what people are searching for is going over to your Google this way and search for what people are searching for, okay? Now, so making a search-based video make a small channel to get discovered faster. Now, another thing again you need to do as a small channel is to study big creators, but don't copy them. Do you understand? Now you can study the way they tell their story, the way they create their content, and the way they structure their content, the way they create their thumbnails. As a small channel, just focus on when you are creating your own content, focus on your own angle. Don't copy their videos. Do you understand? So if you want to grow as a small channel, don't copy big creators. Instead, find a searchable content, create your own video with your own angle, okay, then upload. By doing that, you start to gather small audience for yourself, okay. How small channel grow faster on YouTube, okay. How small creators rank faster with their videos. You can watch this particular video here, okay, or you can watch this particular video. Thanks so much for watching. If you watch this video up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, favorite stuff. Bye.